We came all the way out here just for a vlog, and I forgot the freaking SD card. Ah! What is good, YouTube? It's your boy TY, back at it another Monday. How you doing? Are you doing all right? Are you doing fine? He does not know that the park is over there. So, wait, okay, all right, come on. Let's go, baby. All right, so this channel is all about health, fitness, and making you think that you can do anything as long as you put your mind into it. And not to be upfront, the first couple videos I made, I was talking about my weight and how I was gonna defeat the odds with. He is not Monday motivated today. Come on, come on. All right, we gotta speed things up because the sun is going down. All right, so yes, like I was saying, I kind of just started the fitness thing, you know, with the whole 100 push-up, 100 squats, and 100 jump rope challenge. Kind of haven't really done a recap on it. I ain't gonna lie, I've been super lacking it lately. Hold on. Yeah, so the whole fitness and weight thing, I really wanted to go ahead and address this. I just been slacking out. There's no going around it. Point blank serious. Point blank period. Damn. Already messing up. So yeah, where did I leave off? We're talking about weight loss. We're talking about progress and getting to where I want to be at, physically, mentally, as I'm driving a truck. So we're still doing workouts. We're still doing a little bit of dieting. When we talk about dieting, we're talking about eating leaner and making sure I don't drink soda or as much sugars. Fortunately, because we cracked, I gotta keep glancing over here because you already know. We're just gonna get through it. We're gonna build. So damn cute. Yeah, unfortunately, we crack, but to make that like the main reason why I haven't been dieting or anything, it's just that there's just been things that's been going on behind the scenes, you know, through my life, yada yada yada, that I just have to take care of that first, you know. So with that being said, now we're just gonna go ahead and focus on what I wanted to do primarily. What? It's primarily what I want to do, mainly. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Oh, there goes the solar thing again. So this video has been nothing but a complete disaster. Where did we go wrong? Let's start with the fact that, yeah, I forgot my SD card to the camera.
Don't yell at me.
Fuck, this vlog is fucked up.
Okay.
All right, we forgot the SD card, so that's a backslap. I didn't get the footage I wanted, so luckily we have Snapchat, so I was able to save a couple clips on it. I wanted to go ahead and take my son to his first aquarium trip and vlog. Anyways, you guys, welcome to the channel. If you guys like what you saw, go ahead and smash a big sub and a like. It motivates me to make these videos for y'all. I just love seeing the growth, and I love what's becoming of it. I know I've only been on YouTube for like, what, a month and some change? But yeah, that month and some change has probably been the most fun I've had in a cool minute. I'm not in my element. This is a challenge for me. I'm a truck driver that has nothing to do with editing and whatnot. You know, so I'm challenging myself, you know. But at the same time, I'm having a blast. So I encourage you guys to do the same thing. If you have been procrastinating, have you been procrastinating on doing something that you really want to been doing, that you really just been taking aside, but you know that you want to do it, you know, just do it. Do it! Yeah, anyways, I know I've been prolonging this ending. I appreciate you. I hope you do the same for me. I post videos every Monday. What we do is do vlogs and we do challenges and we push ourselves. So, what's up for more videos? So again, I'll see y'all next Monday. Peace.